to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Got a little short, sweet video on the box Chevy. I'm still waiting on my sewing machine to come in. Once it come in, I'm gonna do the quarter top. So while I'm waiting, the owner decided to go ahead and get his window sweeps done. You can see this window sweep, the rubber missing all the way across the back, cracked over the years. And he also gonna get the window channels done. So we gonna go through that together. I'm gonna show y'all how to remove them and replace them. See this back here, it's dry rotted. Let me show you, I got the parts over here that we're gonna need. Here's the window channels, front and back, and here's the window sweeps, front and back. In order to get the window sweeps, the old ones out, we're gonna have to drop the window, so we'll have to remove the door panel. So let me get the door panels off, then we'll go from there. But the window gonna have to come down because it's got screws holding it from the inside, and you can't get to some of the screws with the glass in. So let me remove the door panels right quick. I guess I can give you the part numbers for all these. The window sweeps and the window channels. The window sweeps, we got a G2008, G2009, G2010, G2011. And the window channels, we got a KG1011 and a KG1018. Okay, I got the door panel removed. Let me drop this glass. See, we got some screws here on the other side of the glass. But once you drop it, it doesn't go down far enough to get, let me see, these two screws. But you can get this one, that one, and this one, but you just can't get these. So you gotta remove the glass from the track. What I did, I pulled this back here. Once you pull that back, it's gonna be a metal plate right here. Got 3 screws in it, one here, there, and there. Remove those screws, get that out the way. Then you drop your glass right here so you can access these 10mm bolts. Then you can remove the glass from the regulator. Then the glass going down, then you'll be able to get them screws down. Glass lowered. Now I can get to these screws here. Y'all bear with me. I know the sun probably be blurring up the footage, but I'm out here directly in the sunlight, so y'all bear with me. Let me take these screws off, then we can remove the outer window sweep. Once you remove the screws, got like a little tab here that's folded over. Lift it up. It should come on up out of there. Let me see if I can get it. It's carbon painted, so it's kind of stuck to the paint. There you go. Here's the old one. I don't think this, yeah, this is the right, this is the driver's side. Then you take your new one, just put it back in place. Sometimes you might gotta bend this part here, because it sometimes don't line up. But it'll bend pretty easy. That's how it's gonna go. Y'all get the picture. Also gonna be changing these the china out, so I might as well do that while I got the glass lowered. So let me take this old china out. It's a metal piece here. You're gonna have to remove it and reuse it on all glass, on the front and back. The back, it's a lot harder than the front is. The front usually go back in pretty easy, but the back, it's kind of hard to get that metal piece back in. But your glass gonna have a guide on it. See if I can show it to you. That guide right there. A lot of times those guides snap, be dry rotted and break. But if you slide the glass all the way down, you can get it out without trying to pull it out. Okay, I got the old window sweep out. Also the window channel. Cleaned it up as well. That's the old window channel. All of it just broke in pieces when I was taking it out. But here we go. Here's the metal piece I was talking about. It goes on the side here. You can see I got these pieces on the back. You gotta bend. Let me show you if I can show it to you. It goes through there. Then you bend it through the back, keep it in place. Then this other piece here, don't fail. Here it go. It goes here. You gotta take it off the old one. It goes there. And that's all you gotta do, just put it back in place. Tighten up the last screw. See, I got the window sweep in. I fold this down back like it was. See? Also the window channel installed. The metal. Now on this back window sweep, the outer window sweep, you're gonna have to take this quarter glass out here. Got it there. You have to take it out to get to this screw here. There's a screw there. Also one here. And 3 of them behind this glass. But you gotta remove this in order to get to this screw. I'm working on this side now. Let me show you. This window guide clip here is missing. Well, it's not missing. It was broke. Let me take it off and show it to you. But you can see where it go. It holds the glass in place in the track. Now here's the track, the metal track. Here's the old clip. This the part number for the new ones. 45332. Let me show you. It's not exactly the same, but it'll work. Only thing you gotta do, you gotta trim this. I haven't trimmed this one yet. You can see this. See if I can get you. Let me point to it here. You gotta trim this off here, because if you don't, the glass won't sit flush into that corner. Trim both of them off, like I did right here. And then it'll work for you. Let me show you how I get this metal track off. I use a pick, something like this here. Then I stick it above this metal track. Hold on 1 second. See if I can get it with one hand. That's all you gotta do. Here's the rear window sweeps, the inner and the outer. The part numbers I gave you earlier was for the front. Here's the rear here. 0443 KG 208. This the outer. These two the inner.
Hungry mouth for no welfare. Don't shit them, don't let them kill the brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other.
Here's the old window sweeps, all dry rotted. Let me show you what it look like now. I sprayed it off trying to clean the glass off some, but here we go.
never stop.